Oh, basically the quality, the maintenance, and the hair quality itself is completely different from the competitors.
I'm here with Valerio from Linea Tecnica, and you're actually a distributor for 3.9 that we're here to talk about today.
Yes, absolutely. We started since 2012.
Okay.
We met in EMO.
Oh,
in
and
Hannover.
emo.
Yes,
Well, that's
absolutely.
it. It's kind of funny. So, what about 3.9 made them a line that you wanted to be able to sell and distribute?
Oh, basically, we sell mostly tailored solutions for our customer in the metalworking business, and we saw 3.9 as something upper level. And then we found out that it was not just looking good, but was also really good in terms of technical.
They do look really good.
Yeah.
But so, what results? You've been selling them now for almost 13 years.
Yes.
What results are you seeing for the shops that buy these products now?
Oh, basically, it's not easy to sell the first one because the Italian market is really crowded in terms of competitors because they all work there. But once they start with the first one, they don't go back.
So why is that though? I understand in manufacturing it's a very big problem. That's why we started doing videos. Until you see the first one working, I don't know. But now after the first one, what do they see that they're like, okay, now I need more?
Oh, basically, the quality, the maintenance, and the hair quality itself is completely different from the competitors.
And these are shops that were already using competitor options, and they're seeing that big of a difference.
Absolutely. The ones who have different machines are the ones who are easier to target because they know already the problems they face.
Yeah, they're already aware of the smog problem.
Yeah, they have to trust you, but once they try it, and this is why we work a lot with long-term trials, then it makes it easier.
Well, in manufacturing and distribution, trust is a very important thing. So how has it been working with 3.9 as a supplier?
Actually, it helped us a lot because we are mostly a coolant reseller, and which is the less trustful market for us.
There's a lot of changes in the coolant world.
Exactly. And so it helped us building the trust with the customer. We do a lot of exhibition and trade shows, and this is one of our strengths.
That is very awesome. Well, thank you so much, Valerio, for teaching me more about 3.9.